There ain't nothing. Don't freak out about it. There ain't nothing we can do but pray. And I did that a few times.
This is crazy, man. There he goes.
Yeah,
He's spinning.
Oh!
Oh!
John. Whoa. Okay. Oh my God, I think it's right there. Don't suck me out!
The biggest tornado I've ever seen in my life.
I could have probably Googled the weather and found out there was going to be storms, and next time we'll do that and not go. But we didn't do that.
This is crazy.
We're not out of it.
I know, man. It just keeps coming, man. My mom said, she's like, you guys are probably going to drive out of it soon. I was like, I think she was looking the wrong way.
We ain't out of it. Hey.
What are we coming up on? Cypress? No.
No.
Okay. I don't know what that is.
This one might become one right here. Oh! 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 Oh!
Alright. He's tightening up. This guy, he's videotaping. He's gonna get sucked up, dude.
He's more worried about videotaping like you are and get sucked up.
Man,
I don't want to record no more. Hell. I think everybody can see the severity of the damn issue.
what exit you want me to get off?
Do you want to get off the exit or keep going? Hell.
Keep riding.
I don't know. I do too.
I'm worried about tonight.
Oh my gosh.
Here comes stage 3 ahead of us again.
Here's one on my side.
Where's stage 3 up there?
Oh my God, there's one right there. See if we can get it out. Get it touch. Ooh, I don't know. Okay. Ooh, that is one, I think.
Go through that bitch, you know?
Several times, baby.
That's fucking crazy.
Well, I'm no longer fascinated.
Me either. Now I don't even like a fucking tornado.
I'm ready to get out of this shit, man. We've had some pretty close calls. Close. You know what I'm saying?
Uh-oh. This looks bigger than the last one, baby. Joe, there's a huge one over there, and it's spinning big. Look at it.
Yeah, I know. They're everywhere, baby. Oh, no, I give up. I'm not recording no more.
All right.